A remarkable gaming mouse has arrived for gamers, the Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro. It's a product aimed at professional gamers, and I immediately tested it to take a closer look. So, what features does this new gaming mouse have? The DeathAdder series gaming mice are known for Razer's emphasis on ergonomics and performance. The newest member of the series, the V4 Pro, aims to offer top-level technology for professional gamers. The device offers a resolution of 45 million dpi, while its refresh rate can reach 8000 Hz. This means the mouse can exchange data 8000 times in a scene between the computer and the mouse. This allows the player to quickly translate their reactions into the game. On the other hand, Razer has strived to develop a very durable product. The lifespan of the optical switches in this mouse has been increased from 90 million to 100 million clicks, so you can use it for many years. The mouse also comes with a hemispherical head with LED lights. These are customizable lights. It can instantly show you information like the mouse's battery status, DPI setting, and farming speed. However, the mouse lacks RG, real-on, lighting, which is bad news for lighting enthusiasts. Its performance, however, is top-notch. It's currently one of the fastest-known gaming mice. But of course, it's expensive. The Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro sells for over 10,000 Turkish lira on the market. Yeah,